Do what makes you happy. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer, this is one of the best quotes ever written. Rich with truth. Do you love what you do? Does your daily schedule bring you to life? Do you spring out of bed fired up to start your day? This kind of life is very possible if you focus on what makes you happy. Some people rearrange their entire lives so they can do what they love. It's not always an easy thing to pull off, but it is possible. If you're not 100% happy, then now is the time to figure out exactly what it is you love the most and start immediately working toward doing that very thing forever. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.